Good afternoon, Riders Detailing. We are out washing equipment. The 360 is just about done. I just finished up with the 470 here. And this one, the 320 loader, is just about done. We got a couple more to do. Woo! The 210 here, we still have to do, and then a haul wagon, which is all the way back there. We got a ring up here. Oh, I got grease on my forehead. We're out here making it happen. L6. Unlock the hydraulics. Parking brake off. We are just about ready to go put this one back in line. We just got the loader parked. We're gonna pick up the 210 here. It hasn't had a bath in a while. Got to put in the bottom window so we don't spray water in it. Gonna clean all the tracks out, get everything all dialed in. I got to get in and move it over to the trailer. So let's get this thing going here. Put some heat in the engine. Which one is it? Kobelco. Do I have that key on here? I think so. I think it's this one. There we go.
Results in just 1 hour.
Whoa.
Dead weeds in 1 day. So you can get back to doing what you love. Try Spruce. Wherever weed killers are.
Get that radio off so we don't get flagged.
Famous Footwear has the latest styles.
Where's it at? There it is.
Like Nike.
See if I can hold you here. I don't think I might be able to do this with. Oh, I guess I can. Hold you and walk. $470. $360. Watch out for the power lines. Don't want to get into those. So we're gonna park this one here. We're gonna get started washing. So I'm gonna turn you guys off and we'll get back to you in a little bit. If you haven't subscribed, this is an ample time to hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below. Even like it. Okay, I'll see you here in a second.
Is it?
Hey, let's go. Trained professionals. Hopefully the door opens.
Oh, I slammed him down. Got it.
210's done, and the haul truck's done. So that's a wrap for us. We're gonna start parking things, get loaded up, and get out of here. Have a good weekend.